There we go.
Oh, we're rolling.
We're rolling now.
Here we are trying out the new GoPro.
Hey guys, check out that view out there.
Yeah, it's pretty great. Nice mountains.
Blue
nice
mountain.
sun right in your face. Woo! About to get some action vids.
Yeah.
Nah.
A little chilly up here.
Dude, that's sweet.
Well, here we are working the edge of this field. That's what we got done yesterday. Kidding me?
All right, so what he was saying earlier. Ooh, looks sweet. So I did all that yesterday. Just once it's all cleared up right in front of the forest here. Kind of, you know, clean it up a little bit. So we got this to grind up here. We're gonna come up here around this corner, right up around this bend right here. Now I think we might do a little bit down there if we have time. We gotta leave around 12 today, so set this little GoPro up, see how it does.
Oh, look at that. You just click it on and it's recording right away. Pretty cool. So Josh is getting this stuff out. Getting the stuff out here that I just kind of hit real quick. I mean, it's quite a drop that goes down. So I didn't want to get too close. So I just get it rough, and then he'll go back through and pole saw it. Lay it out like this for me right here. kind of windrow it up a little bit. Got to take out that couple little pines right there, get those out of the way. But I'm gonna start finishing this off and we'll just work our way around the field. We'll try that for a minute. I don't know if it's gonna work. So we're making our way around the field. We got all this stuff hand cut out of this kind of little hole right here. We're doing it for view reasons. We got a house right up here, kind of overlooking the field, and then we also got just to help keep it off of the field. Every year it just kind of seems to creep in a little bit farther and farther. Get a tree falling down or something like that, then I think they just do hay out of here. Might have been cows in here at one time, but not anymore. But we're gonna work our way up to this line up this side over here. I don't know if we'll get all the way or not. We only got we got to head out about an hour or so. So we're getting as much done as we can, and then going off to check up on Willie, see how that job's coming. Got some handwork over there, so. Well, here it is, all wrapped up. All the way down there. That's where we started this morning, was right there. Came up this way, went around to that corner, went up a little ways there up that side, but there's still a lot of work here that could be done. Customer might have us come back at another time, but we'll go get this thing blown off, load it up, and going to find Willie. Get that out of there. Just about out of fuel. Gonna try to, oh my stars. So, take it back down to first. The turtle speed was in rabbit speed, but maybe we're gonna get around this corner we can, oh my goodness, get moving a little faster here. I don't like just cutting across the field. You know, I gotta look at that, all the tracks going across it, so I try to just stick to the edge. There we go. Stick to the edge of where we came in. But we did all this yesterday. And going up this hill here. Helps keep it off the field so their field stops closing in. That's where we did a bunch of work the other day. We've been here all week. He's got edges of field and all kinds of stuff. If we wanted to, or I say if we wanted to, if we had time to. So, oh my stars. We usually do this this every time we get ready to head down the road, and at the end of every day. Josh gonna blow her off. Wants to get out underneath those pockets, and then I'll jump out and help him. But hey, buddy. Hey, man. Well, this is where Willie's been. Got a 30 acres here. We're gonna grub out and burn. Try to keep as many keepers, big mature trees as we can. And we bought a 130 to be able to burn everything off, feeding the fires and for clearing lots, stuff like that. So I'm gonna come up here tomorrow. Today's Friday. Up here tomorrow and do a little work around these keeper trees, and you know, where the underbrush is right up around them, kind of forestry mulch those areas so we don't damage the bigger trees. So Willie's just throwing a little bit of this on the fire before we head out. But that's what Willie's been up to. So I'll show you guys more of the machine later, but hope you guys enjoy the video. Kind of what's been going on. We've been pretty busy, haven't been able to get a lot of videos out there, but we're trying. So thanks for watching, y'all, and please subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Have a good one, y'all.